Oh, hello you guys. I hope you all are doing great और तुसी लोग की fit part आ, I'm pretty sure. So, मैं दुबई गई थी and this means that it's time for some haul. Let's start. Oh wait, there's one disclaimer that I want to give over here. This time around, I was like, let's check Daiso out and let's see, what do they have and all of that. So a lot of shopping is from there. There are very few brands. Online shopping भी है. So I was like, कोई point नहीं है कि मैं इधर से buy करूँ. Also you guys, I was weighing the weight and all. मुझे बिल्कुल भी शौक नहीं कि मैं ज़्यादा पैसे दूँ अपने luggage के. I'm broke like that. So yeah, or you can say I'm brought up like that. Now let's just start with the video. Let's go. If you have been to Dubai, so you would know that, dude, वहाँ की जगहें are really nicely fragrant. I always wanted to bring that in the house, and this time around I was like, I want the perfect one. This is an oil burner, you guys. So you can get a diffuser, but this is like the traditional version of a diffuser, if that makes sense and all. This is how it looks. It's beautiful. I love mother of pearl, and yeah, it reminded me of that. So I really liked this concept because इधर आप अपनी rings रख सकते हैं, मैं अपनी watch रख सकती हूँ. And if I'm not burning the oil, so I can use it as a jewelry holder kind of a thing. Okay, so the next thing goes hand in hand with the first thing. So इसके यहाँ पर आप oil and पानी को डालते हैं, and then फिर आप candle अंदर डाल के diffuse करते हैं, the magic happens. So उसके लिए मुझे oil चाहिए था. Now usually जब हम जाते हैं इनके malls में या कहीं भी, there is this very oud like scent जो कि आपको बहुत सूंघने को मिलेगा. And I was like, what is this scent and all. So I found this thing. ये मुझे home center में मिली थी, and this is in the variant oud and rose. So I really like this damage हो गया, but it's really potent. मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा strong है ये, so आपको बहुत कम डालनी होती है. The only thing is कि इसका ऊपर जो है ड्रॉपर नहीं था. So जो इसके ऊपर का कैप था वो अंदर मुझे करना पड़ा. So yeah, ये थोड़ा सा लीक भी हो जाता है. But I really love it, and I think so ये बहुत अच्छा buy था मेरा. We all love IKEA and we all want IKEA to be in Pakistan somehow, but वो possible नहीं हो रहा अभी तक. I could not buy anything almost, but thanks to my sister, she kept it in my cart, and that is how I got this thing. So this is something that I got. Actually ये एक organizer है, and I think so it's really cool because मैं अपने phones यहाँ पर रख सकती हूँ. I can keep my camera over here because ये non-slip है, so you can actually cut it as well. It's a very handy thing. It's a fake plant. When I saw this thing, I was like, I really want to get it, and yeah, I think so IKEA is heaven for anybody who loves to do DIYs and who loves decor, and it's a really nice place. So for the first time in my life मैंने कोई pure black चीज़ ली है, and I've used it a lot. So the first thing that I got, actually this was something that was a gift, but I'm still showing you guys. Don't mind the fact कि ये थोड़ी सी dirty हुई है. I have to clean it. So yeah, it's a cap, and this is the style के जो मैं prefer करती हूँ. Something that is breathable, पीछे से. It's net and it is so well made. So yeah, and the next thing is this bag. The zip on it is beautiful, and this is see-through. अगर आपने कभी भी backpacks को try नहीं किया है, so I will highly recommend you guys कि आप इसे try करें, because it's not stylish only, it's actually functional, it's practical, and it's an addiction. Like once you're going to get something like this, you will forget your big tote bags and all of that. So from Daiso, the first thing that is a pair, I would say, is this thing. So this is a flower pot, you can say, and yeah, so this one was for 7.35 dirhams, and I think so this one was also for 7.35 dirhams, and I think it looks really nice. This is sparkling egg, and this surprised me the most. मैं नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी कि इस तरह से लगेगा। अच्छा, इसका साइज़ जो है वो यही है, विच इज़ अ प्लस। ये बहुत ही प्यारा है। आई थिंक कि आप अपने नाइट स्टैंड पे अगर रखेंगे तो इट्स गोना लुक रियली क्यूट। नेक्स्ट अब आई रीपरचेज दिस थिंग। ये मैंने अपनी पिछली हॉल में भी दिखाया था और ये मैं रिकमेंड करूँगी कि अगर आप मेकअप को उतारने के लिए कोई भी चीज़ देखना चाह रहे हैं, सो ट्राई दिस थिंग आउट। यू कैन एक्चुअली प्रेस द प्रोडक्ट आउट फ्रॉम हेयर एंड कोई भी लिक्विड होगा उसको आप इधर से प्रेस आउट कर सकते हैं एंड इस तरह से प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट भी नहीं होगा एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी क्लीनर फॉर योर डेस्क और जहाँ पर भी आप अपना मेकअप उतारते हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट। एवरीबडी सेज कि डाइसो की आई लैशेज़ are fantastic. This one is in 05 Sexy Eye. So yeah, this is how it looks. I do not know how to put them on, but I was like, let's just, you know, try. It's the lip brush. I haven't even opened it up. Wow. You don't want to use something like this. Just look at the glitter and so I'm going to test it out, but I think so it's too beautiful कि आप इसको इस्तेमाल करें. So yeah, now we have a dud over here or a disappointing product. This is aroma oil. So this one is in the variant grapefruit, but it just doesn't smell good at all. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इसके साथ अच्छा नहीं रहा था, but yeah, this is something that I got. I will definitely use it in potpourri and all of that. So yeah, now you guys, there are a couple of things that I just picked because मैंने इनके बारे में बहुत सुना हुआ है कि you know they are good and all. So सबसे पहले तो ये चीज़ है, ये I'm not sure, तो इसको मैं ट्राई करूँगी तो पता लगेगा. Then I also got these. मैंने इनको काफ़ी मरतबा 7-8 मरतबा उठाया रख दिया. Then फिर I was like, चलो नूर, एक नहीं तुम 2 ही ले लो. So yeah, I have 2 of them over here. So basically something कि जो आप अपने decor में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Another thing जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी and I was like, I want it and I was so excited जब मुझे ये चीज़ देखी थी. So basically again you can hang it and इसके अंदर आप कुछ भी रख सकते हैं and yeah, I will do something with it you guys, so you will see. And इसी तरह से इसका छोटा भी था, but I think this was a better bet. तो फिर मैंने ये उठा लिया था because दोनों की शायद प्राइस सेम थी या क्या था. Okay, so next this is something कि जो मैं हमेशा देखती थी and it works. Basically इसमें आप क्या करते हैं, आप अपने कपड़े सारे डाल देते हैं. So you can see over here कितने सारे कपड़े हैं and now they are reduced to this. So you put all your clothes inside and then you close it up and you need a vacuum and it just sucks all the air out. So इसके अंदर आपको 4 मिलते हैं. So these are decorated stickers and there are so many variants in it. Like इसमें काफ़ी तरह के हैं. So you can pick and choose the ones that you want and then you can decide and all. तो इसके अंदर 4 हैं and these are the 4. Basically I feel कि कभी भी आप किसी भी ट्रिप पर जाते हैं, so if you can, like it's not necessary, but if you can, so get yourself a fragrance that reminds you of that place and or get yourself something of that sort. So this time around I found this perfume. It's black oud and ये इनका roll on version है, so it comes in a very big bottle and definitely that was not convenient for me to bring to Karachi because in the plane anything can happen and I was like, no, I'm not doing that to myself. So इसकी जो खुशबू है वो it's like the scent of there was this powder black cat or white cat, I'm not sure. As a kid my dadi used to have that and yeah, so it reminds me of that. Maybe that's why I got it, because it reminded me of that. Let me know how was it, how was the video and all. Tab tak ke liye rub rakha guys and gals, and yeah, stay happy wherever you are. Rub rakha.